So after that, I had been assigned to the cloud task. So I had given the AWS certification exam, which is practitioner exam. Then after that, I had the training on the Terraform, uh, Docker, uh, Kubernetes. Then after that, I had assigned to the one project which was based on the front end. So there I used the React framework to develop the screens. So that in that project I had created the screens, UI screens using the React and the GraphQL technologies. So also created the some backend APIs. Uh, Along with this, I work on the in the one project as a shadow developer, where I created the three-layer architecture application using.
Okay.
So in that, I created the weather application project, which to show the weather. There I use the open API connected to the application, and then created the REST APIs, and then uh, that data to the UI. So use the JSP basis script, and there I haven't used the any UI framework, a normal Spring application, Spring Boot application. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's good. I think then how much you can rate yourself in Java, 1 to 5?
Mm, 3,
Okay, in Spring
3
Boot.
or 4. Yeah, Spring Boot, I know those 3, 4.
Okay, and you have also experience in like this REST React, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can start with some core Java questions.
Mm.
Can you tell me do you have idea about OOPS features?
Yeah, yeah, in the 4 pillars we can say inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and what is that?
Okay, in our application, where you have used in inheritance?
Inheritance, like we copy something. Suppose if we have the okay, the suppose we have in a class, another class is using the same fields, so we can take the copies.
Okay. Do you have idea about exception handling?
Exception handling means suppose if we wrote any code and if we seems it like we throw any error, so uh, we what you can say we put it in a try block, and then we have the catch and the try catch, and the one is the exception block. So try will execute the code once it consists the error. Catch will catch that, and exception we can create manual exceptions.
Okay, tell me the difference to throw and throws.
Throw and throws.
Yes.
Uh, mm, throw, I think we can throw one exception and throws as means it is a throws means many exceptions in and throw.
Okay, that's good. And can you tell me the different types of collection objects in collection interface?
Collection objects.
How you store the objects using collection?
Yeah, there are different collections. List, then we have the queue, set. These are the what you can say the data types, collections.
Okay, what is difference between list and set?
List, yeah, set we have the unique. We can store the unique uh, elements in the yeah, and the list. And also when in the list we have the sequence we can access by using the sequence. Set doesn't have this. two main differences. The list have the sequence, and the set in the set we cannot allow the duplicate value.
Okay, can you tell me some of the immutable objects in Java world?
Sorry?
Immutable objects.
Immutable objects. The means all the data types like int, long, float.
Okay, you mean to say wrapper classes, right? Like a string is immutable object, and date, these are all the immutable objects. That's okay. And
Yes.
we'll move on to the Spring Boot. Can you tell me what are the features are available in Spring Boot compared to Spring?
Okay. Okay. The annotations. First of all, in Spring we define the we have to define the whole that XML file, and then in the Spring Boot we can use annotations. Then just say, yeah. So the it offers the we have the servers inbuilt in the Spring Boot. And if we want, we can add in the Spring also, but we have to define it explicit. So that also an advantage. Yeah, and then as I said, the we can use the annotations, means we can reduce the that common code, boilerplate code, like we add the component, various add the entity here, these annotations in the Spring Boot, and everything we write in the POM means the POM file present in both Spring and Spring Boot, but the dependencies like the jar files we can add it in there.
Okay, you have idea any controller, REST controller, and these annotations?
REST controller and this, but no. Hence we have different components.
Yeah. You have idea at the rate component and at the rate service?
At the rate component, at the rate service. In service, as the name implies it, the component we define like okay, in plain language I will tell the at the rate service means like a service layer of the services we can define there, so we can annotate it as a service, and the component we can say it as a class.
Yes. Do you know response status annotation?
Uh,
Okay, you have.
we can directly write at the rate response, I think, response status.
No, I mean to say like why we need to use that response status annotation.
Why we need, okay. So suppose if we want to display the status code and the that message, then we can use that.
Okay. Can you tell me that HTTP status codes, whatever you know?
The 100, 200, 300, 400. So 500 for the server, then 404 for the internal exceptions. 200 is for the status okay, means everything is good. Various
Yeah, that's, and you know how to handle exceptions in Spring Boot service like REST controllers or in services? Any idea on that?
Handle what? The same now using the try catch now.
No, some annotations are available to handle that.
No, I'm not sure.
Okay, then that's okay. What are the you have database idea, right? SQL or Oracle, Postgres, no?
Yeah, yeah.
And
What APIs? Mm.
no, I'm asking database. What database?
Databases.
Yeah, yes. What
Mm.
databases you're comfortable more, like SQL or Oracle or Postgres?
SQL and Oracle have worked.
Mm-hmm.
Postgres is new for me.
Okay, then can you list out some of the joins?
Inner joins, outer joins, then left join,
Mm.
uh, there joins, in SQL, left, right, right, then a combination, full join.
Okay, can you tell me difference between primary key and foreign key?
Okay, primary key, it is specific to the, suppose we have one table, then primary key is the unique, we can say it contains the unique elements, and it is unique for that table, and foreign key refers to the uh, in the another table, it is pointing to the first primary key.
Okay. Can you tell me the syntax for updating the table for in table for every any row?
Uh, Directly they update
Mm.
and table,
Okay.
table name, then state the column or value, and then and where condition.
Okay. Do you have idea about triggers and functions?
Sorry.
Trigger functions, procedures. Triggers, functions, procedures.
I heard about it, but never used. Procedures, same. It is a file we kept in SQL, all the SQL
Mm.
triggers, for triggering purpose, anything.
Okay. You are comfortable, right, for Java, REST, and this type of database projects?
Yeah. Java, I can work Java, then front end also. I have the knowledge.
Mm. Okay, then can you tell me string and string builder difference?
Wait, remember string builder. Uh, Actually, means string as we say the normal string is immutable, and these both the string buffer and the string builder are the mutable, means we can change it.
Okay. Do you aware any Java 8 features?
Java 8.
8. Actually, we are using Java. They use currently Java 8. Can you tell me any features Java 8?
Java 8, I think the we can the lambda expressions we can use. Then we have the, I think, for each method.
Mm.
That also the feature of the Java 8. Then the normal enhancements like the input output JDBC connections. These are the Java 8.
Okay.